In a sorrowful incident on the 28th of January around 5:30 p.m., Rishanlang Muktieh, 25 years old, a security personnel deployed at the Umiam bridge repair site, lost his life after being electrocuted near Umiam bridge under Mawlai Police Station. Hailing from Ladlasharai village in Ri Bhoi District, Muktieh had gone to collect firewood near a transformer of the ITD Cementation India Limited at Umiam. Unfortunately, he came in contact with an electric wire leading to electrocution. Despite immediate efforts, he succumbed to his injuries at the Civil Hospital, Shillong.